here in Port Authority Bus Terminal. Bumiyahe ako ng mga 1 oras din yun na papunta dito kasi yun lang yung isa sa way puntang New York is by riding a bus. So, yung bus kasi is very accessible. This is the first time nag-travel ako mag-isa kasi yung last na punta ko is may kasama ako. Sa inyo, samahan niyo ako because I will be going to St. Patrick's Cathedral. Nakita ko lang talaga din yung direction sa app which is yung Movit with M-O-O-V-I-T. If you don't know any application, you can actually check sa Google and sa nakita ko is yung Movit app. Napaka ganda niyang gamitin. Yun yung nabibigit talaga sa akin ng direction kung saan ako gusto pumunta. Siyempre, hindi pa naman natin talaga din alam kung paano, kung magkakaya naman, pero siyempre, medyo kinakabahan pa tayo ng konti. I'm proud of myself dahil andito ako ngayon, naka-travel na ako from Jersey to New York. Paka-simpleng bagay, guys, pero sa akin yan, mabigat na, no? America to New York to anytime pwede kang mawala. Of course, because we have Wi-Fi, from the time nakakasagap tayo, so I don't have AT&T or Verizon here yet in America. So ako na lang is gets free Wi-Fi. I need to turn off the Wi-Fi kasi syempre baka mahack yung ating home. So dito ako galing, no? Ayan si Dunkin Donut. Dito ako naglakad kanina from here. Tapos ito yung pwede natin babaan yung escalator. Madaming gate and andito maraming mga signages. Makikita mo yung airport buses. Have to follow those arrows kung saan ka pupunta. So, going to Port Authority is from Jersey. Nasa 1 hour din siya. Piling talagang mga pwedeng sakyan either their train or by bus. Uber, pero since tipid-tipid tayo pag may time, na lang tayo, mag-train, mag-bus, and of course, maglakad tayo kung saan natin gusto pumunta. Kasi dito sa New York, all you have to do is walk, is bring or wear a comfortable shoes for you. Nagbablog ako, maraming tumitingin kung sino-sino mga lahi yan. Kaya hiningitian na lang natin, kakawayan. Siyempre, hindi lahat kasi, sila, tawag dito, sakto lang, hindi tayo masyadong mag-trust kasi tourist tayo dito at nahahalata nila yung tourist ka. Pero ako naman, okay lang. Have to be careful. Maganda lang dito is maraming mga police. Sundan na lang natin sila. Basta kailangan makalabas ako. Nadaan ako na to last time eh. Lahat tayo. Sundan nyo lang yung mga tao. Check nyo din yung mga signage. Kung nagugutom kayo, Dunkin Donut, Jamba Juice, Starbucks, hindi mo na ako bibili kasi busog pa naman ako. At nakalatang turista tayo kasi meron akong tripod. Wala naman akong pakialam sa kanila. Basta enjoy lang tayo. Para naman pakialaman dito. Saka maraming traveler dito, guys, no? So, this is the information booth. Wala kayo, puntahan nyo lang yan. Pero hindi pa naman tayo nawawala, so okay pa tayo. So, daming exit. Dito tayo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Oops. Did you see that? It is the New York Times building. Mga diba, sa mga newspaper, TV ko lang to nakikita. Ngayon nakita ko na. Nakita na rin nyo. Pakita ko lang ito yung when you exit the Port Authority, ito makikita nyo, street na ito, and then yung pinaka landmark mo is the New York Times. So, I will just input the street. I cannot remember the exact street. Kita ko dito is nasa 41st Street tayo and 8th Avenue. We're here, guys, in front of the New York Times. Maraming street talaga dito, no? Magkakamukha, tapos tabi-tabi kang magtanong. Siyempre, magtanong ka sa NYPD, huwag sa mga tourist sa kagaya mo kasi marami din mga dito parang scammer, no? Bigay na kung ano-ano. Ingat lang din kayo dyan. Pero happy that I'm here in front of this building. This is the other exit of Port Authority Terminal. So ito yung makikita mo naman dito sa side. Ito sa left side o the other street. Ang ganda nito. Pakita ko lang. Tapos na akong mag picture. Napakahirap pag-photo mag-isa. From New York Times, I need to go to the place na kailangan kong puntuhan. This is the Radio City Music Hall in New York. One of the most iconic landmark dito sa New York is the Music Hall, which is the Radio City.
Yeah, and there's also something else.
Pasok na tayo ng church. Hindi na patay na kalahin dito pero okay lang. Pero mga ano lang naman yan, less than 30 minutes. Dito na ngayon tayo sa labas and now entering the cathedral. I know there's a ticket pero ngayon wala akong dalang tickets. Baka sakali tayo na makapasok. Kung makakapasok naman ngayon.
Which once were so happy where you can write. This is the inside view of the whole St. Patrick's Cathedral. This is the right side view of Cathedral. The glass mosaic artwork above the ceiling. Ito yung mga tao na nagpupunta dito. Lalabas na tayo. Nahanap ko na yung exit. Hindi ako masyadong magsasalita kasi marami din nagdadasal. Although maraming nagkakwentuhan.
Ja, tycker stämbelsen där är visst att jag faktiskt.
Inside Cathedral, there's also a souvenir medals. Let's check this. So this is the medal I got from St. Patrick. This is a medal of Our Lady of Guadalupe.
you have to pay $4 for one medal. Also accepted bills, which is $1 and $5. So you should get it, guys, because it's really worth it, especially for the Catholic. Choose this design or the this design. Because I wanna buy both, but na get Our Lady of Guadalupe first. Thank you, Mama Mary.
The last decimal part is right.
The good thing is a lot of NYPD are standby outside cathedral. So yung tapos na yung misa sa church, and this is the scene outside cathedral. Marami parang nag-aantay ng after nung mass namin this afternoon, meron pang kasunod. So ito yon. Ngayon, uwi na rin ako pero around 8 p.m. pa. So I've been researching some tourist locations or some stores nearby that I could see or drop by. So, ang bilis kasi na oras. So, kung gusto mong puntahan, pero this time, sanay mo na yung makita ko kung whichever yung kung anong mas malapit, yun yung pupuntahan natin. Somebody, where is the public toilet? Because no toilet, but the line is sobrang mahaba. But I refresh myself, I rest for us right now. Parang nag-triple yung lamig dito. Kaya suot kayo ng bonnet, itong mga gloves, magdagdag kayo ng coat kung kaya hanggang 3-4 gawin nyo yan. Kasi okay naman itong coat ko. Kasi meron pa akong inner cloth, kaya na-absorb niya yung init. Saka yung suot ko, thermal yan, thermal leggings kumbaga. Different miniature or scale model of buildings, accessories like dress, bag, even shoes of Christian Dior are here. There's a lot of people who are taking photos and videos, except for the digital letter show of Christian Dior, which is the Saks, Christian Dior Saks Fifth Avenue, one of the spectacular display of Christian Dior. It's really hard to take photos. You should do your best to get the best shot. So I just asked other people to take me a photo. Hey, can I ask a favor? Please, can you take me a photo, and then after me I will take your photo as well. Last part of this video, may nakita ako. Siyempre, hindi ito mawawala. Harry Potter. So, iyan mapapanood natin ulit sa sinihan. Ang Harry Potter, The Cursed Child. Ayan, so, pwede natin silang ulitin. Meron din Aladdin. So, ito nakikita nyo guys, this is a Christian Dior, I think, lantern show. Yeah, daming nanonood daming mga tourist. They take na video and photos at isa na ako doon. And siya basta show guys, kasi meron din siya music. So, ang ganda. Yan. Beautiful. So, tapos na yung Christian. Actually, hindi pa yata tapos. I think that is a multiple show, digital lantern show. And ang ganda. Iba-iba yung kulay niya. And there's a music na nagmamatch doon sa how they present their work. They present their design. The Rockefeller Christmas tree. So guys, this is the Christmas tree. This is, I think, the behind. Hindi ko sure ha. I think this is behind Rockefeller building. Ito kasi yun yung building na Rockefeller. So, dito siya sa mismong likod niya. Ang protest no sa kanina pinuntahan ko. And this one, as tao dito sa loob ng parang cage. It's not a cage, it's the entry going to the restaurant because there's an elevator. Yan, elevator yan, going down. And ayun, isuzoom ko lang kasi hindi ako makapasok because ang dami ang tao. May mga waterfalls, may statue, and may mga restaurant sa baba na pwedeng kainan. Hindi nga lang talaga ako makapasok kasi medyo siksikan. At I will try pero I don't think hindi ko magagawa. But I don't think makakapasok ko yun kasi may time now is very limited kasi din-wrap up lang ako dito nung kasama ko, no. I will come back some other time or night or day dito sa mismong Rockefeller Christmas tree. Pero pipicture ako na siya ngayon para sa inyo. Kasi ang daming tao, nakita niyo yan, no. Mga tourist kasi sila. Kung kumuha kasi gabi na, no. I think sa umaga hindi ganito ka-crowded. This is the ice skating area and there's a fee guys, no? Yung nanonood dyan. Marami naglalaro, marami rin nanonood dito sa upper part. Those, yung sa dulo, sumulati ko ata yan. Those are the restaurants na maliliit. So, ang ganda ng view kasi nakikita mo yung nag-ice skate sa baba. Hindi naman tayo marunong niya, so huwag natin gawin. May wish. Una-una, ayoko mag-wish. I want to thank God for a chance to be here in America to see this huge lighted Christmas tree here in New York. I don't have any specific wish. But if there's only a specific wish that I wanted to have, God knows kung ano yung pinagdadasal ko. Matagal na. But I know in time, it will happen. Let's not rush things. In general na. Hindi ko kalain to. And this also my wish before makapunta na America. And thankful and grateful that I am here alone. I'm sad, but you know, I'm sad because my family is not hearing me now. But soon, next time, they'll be here and makapag-picture kami ng buo dito sa Christmas tree. Buying halal chicken over rice. Maraming ganito dito, no, sa New York, especially sa Times Square. So, and I'm buying for myself and because I wanna try it again. Itutubo ko na lang. But I can't eat naman here, pero kasi umuulan, so i-take off na lang natin. So yan, si Kuya. Kaibigan ko na bigla. You're my friend now. So when I come back here again, it's where I will buy.
Can I just get one hot dog, please? One hot dog? Ketchup, mustard?
Ketchup ni Kuya. Ito yung mga tapos sausage. There's also rice over there. Masipag naman siya.
Hi, Chip.
Smile!
Spicy?
Yeah, no.
No spice.
Friendly vlog.
Yeah.
I will come back, okay, and message you, and I will visit you here.
Yes.
Okay? Thank you.
Hi.
I will come back again.
Yeah, you're
so
welcome.
you guys should buy here.
Yeah.
It's in 48th Street along 5th Avenue.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you again. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, this is the center of New York, the Big Apple. This is the Times Square, New York. Dito nagpe-perform lahat ng mga sikat. Ayan, nakikita ko sa TV, nakita ko na. Ayan, this is the billboard, yung pinakamataas na billboard. Or yung tong vertical billboard kasi na to, dito sa Times Square, yung isa sa pinakasikat, no? Very iconic yan kasi maraming ina-advertise dyan na iba-ibang klase ng ads and companies, and hindi lahat nabibigyan ng chance na magkaroon ng billboard, the digital billboard, and one day maybe malay natin magkaroon tayo ng billboard dyan related to arts, di ba? Hi guys, so ito, I'm here now at Times Square, New York. Behind my back is a vertical digital billboard. Malay natin one day makagkaroon tayo ng billboard dito sa mismong gitna ng Times Square, di ba? Na related sa arts. Malay natin one day mangyari yun. So I'm praying, wishing, and na makapag-showcase tayo ng art dito sa Times Square. Ang hirap, no? Kasi mag-isa akong nag-take ng photo dito. Hindi ko maibigay. I will try na makakuha ng photo dito sa mataas na yan. I will ask someone to take me a photo.